The year was 1995. Deep in the foggy countryside stood the Redwood Inn, where famous novelist Eleanor Marsh was found dead in room 9. She was slumped over her typewriter, her final page still in the machine. Bearing the words, "He finally came for me." The door was locked from the inside, the windows sealed, and the only key was under her pillow. Detective Arthur Lang gathered the 4 guests: the nervous innkeeper, her distant editor, her silent husband, and a watchful friend. He learned Eleanor was paranoid, claiming someone was stealing her ideas. Her husband said she'd written something that would end everything. In her room, Arthur found clues: sleeping pills in her untouched tea, a strange symbol on the wall, and a half-burned manuscript under the bed. But the final words on the typewriter were the key. The pressure on the keys didn't match hers. Someone else had typed that final line. So, who did it? Who tried to rewrite her final moments? Let me know your theories in the comments, and subscribe for more mysteries.